beautiful, beautiful. Uy. This is my documentary of Lori making a latte and Jamie watching.
Get my armpit.
This is a nice armpit shot. Taking and coming over here. Ta-da! And that is one beautiful latte done by the Latte Star. Woo!
Oh.